Happy Christmas to you all. I hope you guys are having a nice relaxing time over the Christmas holidays. I'm still working, I'm a shift worker, so I'm off. Actually, I'm working Christmas Eve and then I'm off Christmas Day and Boxing Day, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a great Christmas. I am going to be going back and spending it with my mum. She's on her own, so that's my Christmas. My girlfriend's going to her family who are out of London. It'll just be Yabby at the flat in London. So when I go down and see my mum, I'll ride back up each day, see little Yabs, feed him, and then ride back. You know, it gives me a nice opportunity to spend some time with my mum and then go and chill off for a bit, you know. I think I need to get an ECU flash, get this this bike remapped, because it is running lean. If you guys hear from the exhaust, it is running lean. It could really benefit from that. The quick shifter, I've got to sort the quick shifter out, because although it's installed, it's not playing ball very well. Like, I'll go to kick it in gear and it just won't pop into gear. There's no like allowance, it won't let me push it in. It kind of stops the engine. Actually, I'll put in some clips now, because I've got some clips of me trying to do it and it not working properly. I spoke to Temjin and he suggested resetting it up, so I'm gonna do that probably when I take the bike back and just see if it works. But to be fair, on a 1000cc bike, quick shifters in towns in central London, you know, I'm never really going to use it that much. And luckily the quick shifter I've got, you can disable, so that's absolutely great. You don't have to worry about it being on or whatever. You can just turn it off on the app. It's the Hill Tech quick shifter. Really good little thing. But this bike, I'll tell you though, trying to get the ignition coils, there's 4 of them because there's 4 cylinders, trying to get the ignition coils is a bastard. You have to take all of this off. This is so intricate. And once you got that off, you have to drop the radiator forward as much as you can. And then try and, you know, work on the coils. And they're such fiddly little bastards. They really are. Oh. So I'm hoping after a ECU flash, it will just run a little bit rich, and then I'll get some nice little pops and crackles, you know, because I'm kind of worried about it, you know, running lean, running hot. I don't really want that.
Nope.